Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another assessment for CAA practitioners, CAA aspirants. And we will continue where we left off last time. So still on diagnosis by observation. To start today's assessment, let's call on Ma'am Susan Valderrama. Good afternoon, Ma'am Susan.
Afternoon, Doc. Afternoon, everyone.
Yes, so this is just a review for you, I'm sure. We have two types of edema, and which type is more common,
Yin edema, Doc.
or the so-called water edema, no? What causes chi edema?
Chi edema sa water edema, Doc, a condition characterized by fluid accumulation in the body's tissues, leading to swelling.
Hmm. This is another type of edema. So, iba po yung water edema sa chi, no? Chi edema is caused,
Okay.
yeah. Which one is pitting and which one is non-pitting? So if you remember, the water edema or yin edema is pitting edema. No? Meron na iiwang marka, no, when you when you press the edema. However, in chi edema, this is caused by, as the name implies, anything that has something to do with chi, no? So nag-stagnate yung chi or there is dampness. Ito yung non-pitting edema. Are we good?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Doc.
Ma'am Susan, swollen hands indicate what?
Ah, alam daw kung tama. Swollen hair or hand edema are viewed as a sign of disharmony or imbalance
Mhm.
or body.
Yeah, but that's very general. You have to be specific. We all know pag nag-swell, there is definitely an imbalance or anything that looks abnormal. So, so when the hands are swollen, specifically, what does it indicate?
Kasi chi stagnation, Doc. Tama po ba?
You have an issue with your lung, no? So, meron kang lung yang deficiency. These are people, hindi lang siya swollen, the hands are cold pa, no? So this is worse than lung qi deficiency. Okay? So pag nag-lung yang deficiency na, talagang super hina na talaga nung qi. And there is a feeling of coldness. That's why when you hold their hands, they're not only swollen, but they are cold. Okay? Next. So if swollen hands is lung yang deficiency, ano naman po pag swollen ang feet?
Spleen chi deficiency, Doc.
To be
Mali. Or it's kidney yan.
kidney yang deficiency.
Okay.
Tingnan nyo, magkaano lang sila talaga, magkamag-anak, no? Isipin nyo na lang ganito, di ba nauna silang, siya yung mother ni kidney, di ba? So pag mahina po, ang kidney yang deficiency lang talaga, so the feet are swollen. Okay, what about if both hands and feet are swollen? What does that indicate?
Ang sagot ko doon, nagkakaroon ng dampness accumulation.
Yeah, so what
Chi
is the
deficiency at saka
cause?
kidney.
Oo. Um, ano talaga po yung main cause? Dalawa na, both, kasi,
It's spleen chi
yeah,
deficiency and kidney yang deficiency.
okay, spleen yang deficiency, primarily. So pag may spleen yang deficiency, of course, kasama na din dyan, kasi diba swollen? Kasi pag isa lang, swollen lang yung hands, that's lung yang deficiency. Kung feet lang swollen, hindi swollen yung hands, that's kidney yang deficiency. Kung both hands and feet, so spleen yang deficiency na yan. Okay?
So, young kapag edema.
That's worse than spleen chi. Usually kasi pag spleen chi deficiency, ano lang loss of
Hindi
appetite.
ko alam. Parang hindi.
Oo. Pero ito, pag grabe na, may feeling of cold na Siyempre, di ba? Grabe na talaga, super hina na. So, nag-accumulate, nag-retain ka ng fluids, no? Yun nga, super dampness na. Kasi both na hands and feet are swollen. Okay. Shaking, trembling, or quivering of the arms, legs, or both is always due to,
Sagot ko, Doc, blood stagnation, internal wind disturbance.
okay, it should be liver wind. Mhm.
Mali pala.
Oo, kasi pwede ka magkaroon ng blood stagnation pero walang shaking. So, syempre pag may blood stagnation, konti lang yung blood, magkakaroon ng liver wind. Yun. So, this is parang when you have blood deficiency, blood stagnation, this can generate liver wind. Okay, may gumagalaw-galaw. Oh, arms, legs, or both arms and legs. Okay, so you need to look at
Iba pa
liver.
yun, Doc, sa liver imbalance, eh?
Actually, liver wind is a liver imbalance. All of these are liver imbalances. Yung mga liver uh, patterns of disharmony. No? The skin is physiologically related to the,
Lungs,
very good. Okay. But it is also related to blank and blank.
spleen, and liver.
What's the first
Heart.
one? Said?
Spleen and liver.
Heart and kidneys.
Okay.
Related to the condition of spleen and liver.
Kasi nagpo-produce ng spleen. Yeah.
Blood, liver.
Conditions of the blood and the liver. Okay, so yon. Dry skin. Pag may nakita kang pasyente, dry skin, ano kaagad ang imbalance nasa utak nyo or pattern?
Deficiency of yin,
Particularly what?
lung T, Doc.
Parang
Liver blood deficiency. Kaya nakita nyo yung mga babae na merong amenorrhea, hindi nagme-mens, dry
So,
yung
pag menopause, Doc, dry na dry yung skin.
yun naman, liver yin deficiency na rin yun. Ito naman, liver blood deficiency pa lang, di ba? So pag gumabi na po ang liver blood deficiency, yung liver yin deficiency na siya. Kasi under yin ang blood. So blood deficiency muna bago ang yin deficiency. Brilliant.
Oh, okay.
Itchy skin, Ma'am Susan, is due to
Heat,
mm,
or an stagnancy.
wind.
Yun.
Wind. The tongue is a useful gauge for monitoring puro blank, the blank or blank of the patient's blank. Kaya nga, we should always, I know it's, actually it was not easy to study the tongue. So, but I believe that if we deal with it every day, lalo na pag meron tayong mga discussions on the tongue, which is separate from the diagnostics talaga, then perhaps we can achieve something. So I will also need some of you to help me in coming up with webinars on the tongue alone. Of course, I'll give you the tongue picture ahead of time, and also yung ating pulse, no? We'll have two separate.
Sige po.
Yes, and hindi pwedeng maghindi, no? Okay, so
Gusto ko ma-master lahat.
yes. Hello, Doc Janine. Happy New Year. It's good to see you.
Hello, everyone. Nice to see you. Missed you all.
Yeah. We know you're so busy.
Hello.
You still look pretty.
Oo nga.
Talagang
Alisen lang po.
effortless.
Oo, alisen.
Hey, Ma'am
Thank you, Doc.
Susan, let's go back to you. Puro blank and blank and blank. Bakit
The
natin?
tongue is a useful gauge for monitoring the health or imbalance of the patient internal environment. Tama
Okay,
po ba?
pwede din. improvement or decline of the patient's condition. Pwede po. Kasi 'di ba, we need to always look at the tongue every time the patient comes back to us. Sometimes maganda na yung pakiramdam niya, but the cause hindi mo pa na-address. That's why we need to really focus on the tongue. Okay? What are the 4 important points to consider for tongue examination?
Number 1 is proper lighting.
Very
Number
good.
2 is proper tongue preparation and duration of tongue extension and food intake and timing.
Very good. Okay, what is the best lighting? What is proper lighting?
Mas maganda to kung sa ano yung sa labas kukunan.
Yes, natural
Not
light.
inside o natural
Yeah.
light.
Labas mo na kayo ng clinic. Or kung yung clinic mo may bintana, harap kayo sa bintana o ikunan mo ng ano, okay? Minsan kasi pag madilim, lalo na if you don't use natural, yung bright light, nagiging puro pasyente mo may mga blood stasis lang. Okay, Ma'am Susan, proper tongue extension. How do you extend your tongue? Can you show it to us?
Siyempre
Huwag
lalabas yung
masyadong with
tao.
effort. Ano lang, effortless lang. Yung parang nilabas mo lang buong buo. And ang tanong ngayon is how long?
Paano ba yung sabihin? Yung enough, Dok, na, kasi pero Dok, may mga maliliit din na tang na mahirap talaga pag pinapalabas mo.
Actually, kung maliit
Yun
yung
yung-
tongue, alam mo na kaagad yung diagnosis. Di ba? Ang tanong kasi dito, pag masyadong matagal mo in-extend, nilabas.
sandali lang, Dok, second lang.
Mga how saglit is saglit.
Oo. Kahit mga 2 seconds.
Ay, grabe naman 2
Naman.
Mga ano naman, 10,
Seconds lang
15
naman.
Mga
Second,
10 to
Dok, di ko
15.
lang sinabing minutes.
seconds.
10
10 to 15. O minsan 20 nga daw eh. I think we should play safe with
Kasi
15.
pipicturean mo naman eh.
Oo. Pero ang problema lang, pag picture mo, balik ulit. Kumuha ka
Yun
ng
lang.
at least 2 or 3 pictures. Nadidelete.
Oo, hindi
Kasi
kasi
gaya ng
pwedeng
ginawa-
matagal.
Kasi gaya
Nagbabago
ng ginawa
kasi.
natin nun, Dok, nung nandun tayo sa lump, lumabas tayo, so pinicturean, since maganda yung lightning, mas madali.
Pagpasok mo sa loob, iba na yung kulay, no?
Yes.
Puro may blood
Kasi
stain. Puro may
hindi siya
blood
pwedeng
stain.
matagal. Kasi
Okay,
nagbabago
ito,
yung
Ma'am
kulay
Susan.
ng bibig.
Yes. Ito, very important po ito. What medication causes partial peeling of the tongue coating or a thicker tongue coating?
Sagot ko yan, Dok, mga antibiotics.
Yes, tama. Bakit tingin nyo mali? Kasi
Buti na lang
alam
alert.
ko, usually pag wind heat, di ba, inaano mo yan, parang kumakapal yung coating. Pero may iba naman, parang sa dami na yata ng antibiotics, numinipis na may nawawaksi na. So if you see a tongue that's partially peeled, you have to start asking, are you taking antibiotics? And for sure, ang sasabihin nila ay oo, lalo na pag may mga ano sa mukha, no? Long term, ano yan. Okay? So, yun. Okay, examination of the tongue includes what?
Tongue coating, body color, body shape and size, tongue moisture, pulse diagnosis.
Ay, hindi na kasama yung pulse. Puro tongue.
Sinama ko.
The spirit, the shen. Yung tongue spirit kasi makikita mo kung buhay ba ito na tongue or tapos tingnan mo yung likod ng tongue kung hindi pa masyadong depleted yung kidney essence, no? Yon. What does tongue moisture provide an indicator of? Or bakit natin chine-check yung moisture ng tongue?
Kasi daw pag may mga dry tongue, yung nag-indicate siya ng deficiency of gain or excess. Pag wet naman, nag-reflect siya ng excess moisture of phlegm.
So,
Tama.
body fluids.
Opo.
Kasi kung tuyo-tuyo na, kasi alam nyo, ang heat kasi or excess yang will injure body fluids. Yun yung term, injure. So magiging tuyo po yung ating tongue. Next. What does the tongue body shape reflect?
The tongue body shape provides a window in the body's overall balance of chi, blood, and fluids.
And organs, no? Chi, blood, organs. What is the normal body color of the tongue?
Light red or pink,
Pale red and
Okay.
or pink and fresh looking. Parang yung fresh meat na binili mo sa grocery. Number 18, pale tongue indicates deficiency of blank or blank.
chi or blood,
Yang or blood or chi. Actually, pag sinabi mo kasi ang chi, may mga chi deficiency, hindi talaga pale yung tongue. Normal pa rin yung kulay. Kaya the best answer would be yang deficiency or blood deficiency. Okay? Ang tanong ko next is, how do you differentiate yang deficiency from blood deficiency? Pareho man silang pale. Anong pagkakaiba?
again, Doc, the image.
Pareho silang pale. Ang tanong, how will you know if one is blood deficiency or yung isa yang deficiency? Di ba yung blood deficiency is more on fluid na siya, di ba? So,
Opo.
aside from being pale, you would expect it to be what?
Right.
Dry. Slightly dry and a little bit
Mm.
thin. Kasi nga, blood
Sa blood, Doc, na fluid.
Opo, oo. Saka medyo manipis, but not all the time. Pinakaano kasi dito yung moisture, yung dryness, no? Yung yang deficiency naman, moist talaga yung tongue. So it's the moisture. Do you get it? So if it's
Yes,
yang
ma'am.
deficiency, pale yung tongue and wet, no? Wet talaga siya. Okay? Kasi yang, di ba pag yang deficiency, the patient feels cold or hot?
Cold.
Susan.
Cold, Doc.
Okay. Buti tama naman. Akala ko ano isasagot. Blood
Doc
deficiency.
talaga.
Record pa naman tayo. Blood deficiency is it's thin and kung hindi naman thin, ano siya, ano to, may gusto mag-join sa lump. Okay. Sandali, mamaya na lang. Okay. Red tongue indicates what?
Excessive heat in the body or a yin deficiency.
Um,
Red tongue, Doc.
yeah. Kasi
Tama
pag heat, pwedeng empty heat, pwedeng excess heat, di ba? Di ba, madam?
Yes, Doc.
Pareho silang red. So, yun yung next natin. Okay. Red tongue, pero may coating. What does it mean?
Excess heat, Doc. Okay,
Or full heat. Full heat. Itigil nyo na doon. Full heat. Okay. Red tongue without a tongue coating indicates
Yin deficiency with empty heat.
very good. Kompleto. Okay. Purple tongue always indicates.
Blood stagnation or poor blood circulation.
Okay. List the 5 pathological tongue colors.
Pale, red, deep red, purple, and blue.
Ang galing. A pale swollen
Sample
tongue
lang yan, Doc.
indicates. O, tingnan nyo ha. Tingnan nyo ngayon. Hindi ito pale and moist. Did you get it? Hindi siya pale and... So pale and swollen
Swollen.
indicates blank deriving from yang deficiency.
Ang sagot ko dyan, Dok, retention of dampness.
Yes,
Mhm.
correct. Number 25. A stiff or deviated tongue. Nakita mo yung pasyente, matigas yung tongue, hindi maigalaw masyado or naka-deviate. What does that mean?
Internal wind.
Very good. Or interior wind. A normal tongue should have a blank tongue coating.
Thin white coating.
Very good. The tongue coating is formed from residual blank from the stomach digestion.
Cheek.
Dirty dampness or residual chi. Number 28, the tongue coating gives an indication of the presence or absence of a blank as well as its strength.
Pathogenic factor.
Very good. What four parts of the body are viewed to observe the Shen or spirit? So may apat tayo na parts ng katawan where we could assess.
Eyes.
Okay?
Tongue. State of mind. Tatlo yung sagot ko lang po.
And
Kulang ako.
breathing. Complexion.
Okay.
Ang complexion.
Complexion.
Pati yung paghinga.
Meron pala. May sagot pala ako. Complex.
Okay, last question for you. A long face is what body type?
Good.
Yes. Oo. Can you relate, Ma'am Su? Thank you very much, Ma'am Susan.
Okay po.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Oo, balikan nyo na yung apo nyo. Ay, joke. Next, we go to Madam M. Madam M, 31.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po. 31 to 60. Okay,
Apo.
kanina, ano yun? Long yung head, long yung face. Ngayon naman, pointed, small head,
Fire type.
fire. Yeah. Round face, wide jaw. Hello? Nawala na naman. Hello? Hala. Hello po. Yeah. Round face, wide jaw. I think you said Earth. Okay. Yung ba yun, Earth? Okay. Next, square face, small head. Ay, ano ba yan? Yung... Ano po?
Makalupa.
Lupa? Hindi naman lupa. Ano ba yan? Square face, small head. Go.
Metal type.
Metal. Very good. Large head, broad cheeks.
Water type.
Very good. What part of the tongue corresponds to the kidney, UB, and intestines?
It's the rear third of
Posterior third or
the
the back?
tongue or the lower burner.
Yes. What part of the tongue corresponds to the stomach and spleen?
The middle third of the tongue or the middle burner.
Very good. What part of the tongue corresponds to the heart?
The front third of the tongue or the upper burner at the tip of the tongue.
Okay. Actually, the front third includes the tongue, the heart, and the lungs. The tip is the heart. What part corresponds to the lungs?
In the front third of the tongue or the upper burner between the heart and the stomach and spleen area.
Yeah, okay. Behind the tip. Behind the tip.
Behind, opo, sunod sila.
What
Heart.
part corresponds to the liver.
Yun, at the lateral portion of the middle third of the tongue.
Social siya, lateral portion. Actually, it
Opo,
will depend on what source you use, no? Yung ginamit
Opo.
ko na source, ito yung medyo the classical, whatever. Sabi nila, ito yung medyo nakaka-weird, no? The left side of the patient, or pag tiningnan mo siya, right side when you face the patient. So,
Okay.
di ba right yung liver, pero nasa left side. Pero these days, inisa na lang siya. Kasi di ba, when you look at the coating, we always consider the young organ. So, it's usually the gallbladder. Di ba?
Opo.
Okay. For purposes of, para sa academics natin, we look at just in case we have questions like this, it's the left side. So ang
Left side,
gallbladder would be the right side.
the right side. Mm.
The distal crease of the index finger in infant diagnosis is called. So look at the index finger ng bata.
Mhm.
Okay, what condition is indicated when the veins are visible?
Where that is yung distal crease of the index finger is called the life gate.
Mhm.
It indicates the pathogenic factor is in the internal organs. It is deep and the condition is life-threatening.
Deep?
Opo, the condition is life-threatening po.
Distal
Dito.
po, yung pinakamalayo dito.
Distal, opo, yung
Let
gate
me,
of life gate.
baka ako mali. Wait lang. What about the middle crease?
The middle crease po, yun yung chi gate or the gate of chi. The pathogenic factor is in the main channel. It is medyo malalim and the
More
condition is
severe.
more serious.
Okay. And what about if andun na sa proximal crease,
Proximal, yung sa
yung malapit
yun
sa'yo?
yung wind gate or the gate of wind. It indicates that the pathogenic factor is in the connecting channel only. It is relatively light and superficial and the condition is benign.
Iba man yung akin. Wait lang, ha?
Parang,
I will check on this, ha? Let's double check. Parang
Opo.
mali. Ewan ko kung sino mali sa atin. Tingnan ko lang muna.
Yung sagot ko din, Doc, same with Madam M.
Yeah, so I think this is my bad. Medyo
Baka
siguro.
nabaliktad mo lang.
Nabaliktad yung
Ayun.
Nakakalito kasi yung proximal sa
Oo nga.
distal.
Double check ko, ha, so before I give the ano. So definitely, so we have a different answer here. Yeah, so pag malayo, kasi gate of life, it is already severe. So my bad. So sorry about that. So yung middle is okay. However, if it's very proximal, it's still mild. Kasi gate of wind pa lang. Which makes sense, no? Kasi wind pa lang. Nasa ano pa lang siya, nasa superficial. Thank you for that. But again, we will correct this. Thank you for this. In infant finger diagnosis, what do the bluish venules indicate?
Liver wind,
Bluish?
bluish venules indicate sa akin liver wind ako.
Ewan ko lang. Do we have the same answer, Ma'am Trix?
Cold, yes, cold
It'll
pattern.
be cold. I
Okay.
think. Red venules. This is a very obvious
Heat.
heat pattern. Okay, let's go to the face. Dull white, withered face, parang nalantang mukha.
Blood deficiency,
Very good. Bright white, so parang buhay na buhay pa. Puffy, bloated appearance.
young deficiency,
Very good. Bluish white face.
young deficiency with cold or excess cold,
Okay. Sallow yellow face. Pale yellow without brightness.
stomach and spleen deficiency or blood deficiency,
Very good. Smoky, dull yellow face
Damp heat
with damp, with
with damp.
prevalence of
Oh,
damp.
oh,
Kasi yellow. Ay, no,
yes.
sorry. No, no, sorry.
Okay.
Hindi po. Yung smoky. Smoky. Damp yung smoky. Dull,
Mm.
pale, yellow face
Stomach and spleen cold.
and damp. Ash-like yellow face.
Long-standing dampness.
Very good. Clear and moist yellow color in between the eyebrows.
Stomach chi recovering after an illness.
Okay. So, pag meron tayong pasyente na matagal na nakaratay and then nag-recover, you have to always look in between the eyebrows. It should be moist and clear. Moist yellow color and clear. Okay, what about if nakita mo, nakaratay pa, tapos parang nalalanta na, parang natutuyo in between the eyebrows?
Ano po yun? Poor prognostic sign
Yeah,
po.
poor prognosis. Very good. So now you know. So if you visit someone in the hospital, tingnan nyo kaagad yun. Kung ano yung
Eyebrows.
picture, no?
Mm.
The entire body is yellow, bright orange.
Young type jaundice.
Very good. The entire body is yellow, smoky dark.
Yin type jaundice.
Green face.
Liver pattern, interior cold, pain, and interior wind.
Very good. Green face, red eyes.
Liver fire.
Yeah. Green color on the nose.
Stagnation of chi with abdominal pain.
Very good. So alam nyo na.
Ganun.
Alam mo na
Tingnan
kung
lang.
nagmamalinggering, no?
Mm.
Tinan mo yung ilong niya. Dark reddish green face.
Stagnant liver chi turning to heat.
Very good. Congratulations,
Okay.
Madam M. At least,
Nakabawi
maganda
din.
na yung signal mo.
Nakabawi din po.
Okay, from Pasig, we go to Palawan. Miss Palawan, are you ready?
Dok, hanggang 70 lang kinaya ng powers ko.
Okay, no problem.
71.
Sinagot mo pa. Oh, sige, 71. Okay, let's go to 61. White bluish face.
Young deficiency,
Okay. And what? Or what? Di ba pag blue, cold na cold,
yun,
too much,
ayun.
or,
Actually, may sinunod ako dito, cold due to young deficiency.
okay. Dull bluish face.
Severe heart young deficiency.
Okay, very good. So nakita nyo naman, no? Yeah. Hindi siya magandang blue purplish face and lips, and intermittent pain in the precordial region
Blood stasis,
of the,
heart.
yes. So, una-una mo talagang mapapansin ang lips.
Yung may mga ano, Dok, yung may mga hypothyroidism.
Okay? Ganun din makikita mo.
Iya, kasi may kakilala ko ganyan. Yung trinit ko nakaraan.
Ay, wow, congrats. Blue purplish face and lips with high fever and violent movement of the limbs sa mga bata.
Severe blood stasis, Dok.
Yeah, leading to liver wind. May liver wind na
Liver
siya.
wind.
Kasi ano na, may violent movement na ng mga limbs. Black face.
Black face is kidney deficiency or kidney stagnation.
Okay. Or cold pain. No?
Cold pain.
Dark and pale face with low blood pressure and cold feet.
Kidney deficiency.
Okay. Black, moist face.
Binaliktad ko lang, Doc, kidney deficiency.
Cold.
Tama ba? Cold. Sorry.
Yeah, kidney lung deficiency. Black and dried up face.
Blood stasis.
Burnt
Kidney.
ink. Parang nasunog ang mukha. Parang nasunog yun.
So, heat.
Yeah.
Yeah, heat.
Dark face without brightness. Tapos scaly yung skin. I think,
Prolonged blood stasis.
yes. So yung mga nagsiscale, that's blood stasis po. So if you want to treat yung scaling, I'm sure yung iba kung ano-ano nang pinagagamit, ganun pa din. Tinanggal lang yung scale, na nagkaroon na ng scale.
Mm-mm.
Kailangan mo talagang itanggalin mo yung blood stasis. Or you should find out what is causing the blood stasis. Dull or clouded eyes. I think this was asked last time.
Kidney deficiency. Ay, hindi pala. Emotional problem.
Iba yung mukha. Para bang, ay may kilala ako niyan sa akin. Okay. Di ba nakilala
Emotional.
mo? Oo, narinig ko kayo eh. Oo, sana na-accept niya. Di ba parang clouded yung eyes? Parang hindi masyadong
Ay, okay. Parang
yeah.
kilala ko na yung tinutukoy.
Remember, no?
Yeah.
Now you know. You know how ay, biglang pinakita yung kanyang eyes. Okay. Okay.
Parang nakapugo na yung kilala natin, Doc eh.
Oo nga. So, we need to help her talaga. No?
Yeah.
Red corner of the eye.
Liver heat, Doc, or excess heat? Heart fire pala.
Of the eye. Sa corner, dito yan eh.
Heart pala yun? Okay.
Heart yan. Thank you so
Yun.
much.
Thank
It was
you.
very good to see you. And I'm sure gusto mo
Thank
matapos
you.
para makabalik ka na sa iyong pinaggagawa. Okay. Tawagan ko kaya sinong Mark kaya ito? Mukhang tahimik. Sir Mark, are you from Bulacan or from Pangasinan? Naku, tahimik. This is not Mark. Hello, Sir Mark.
Nasa biyahe daw.
Nasa biyahe.
Doc.
Ay, buti ka pa. Nasa chat group. Yeah. Wait lang.
Sabi niya.
Ay, nasa biyahe. Hindi ito si Hindi maayos yung mic. Okay. Ingat po, sir. I'm sure galing pa to ng bakasyon or parang extended. Bakit ganun? Kasi nag-extend ka ng bakasyon. Magte-10 na. Okay. Ingat po sa biyahe, Sir Mark. Hindi nga talaga. Ano kaya nangyari kay Sir Mark? Okay. Oh, so we will have the lifesaver. Sino pa ba? Wala na. Okay. Ma'am Trix, of course.
Yes, Doc.
Number 2. Kanina, red corner of the eye. Now we have the dull white. I have my doubts sa answer ko dito. I think I'm wrong. What's your answer here?
It's heat.
Why should it be heat, no?
Heat
Dull
din sa akin.
Heat.
heat din.
Wait, heat din sa akin.
It's heat.
Parang
Sabi nung kay sa book ni...
sabi ni book ni
Sabi
Mike.
ng book ni Ano pala?
Oo,
Ma-
sa Matthew.
Okay. Dull white. Heat pala yun. Okay. Pale white corners of the eyes.
Blood death
Blood
deficiency.
death. Kasi ganun na tayo, blood death na kaagad para maikli. Red sclera.
Blood shoe. Lung heat.
Yeah, napansin nyo pag inuubo, tapos yung ubo niya dry, nagre-red yung sclera,
Yung mata.
yung white ng eye.
White part.
Grabe talaga, no? Totoo talaga siya. Oh. Yellow sclera.
Damp heat.
Okay. Pag dampit kasi, may kakaibang amoy yan. Mhm. Yun. Naku, maglo-low bat. Wait lang. Hindi ko pala na-charge. Ah. Okay. Whole eye is red, painful, and swollen.
Exterior invasion of wind, heat, or rising of liver fire.
Yes. Okay. Makes sense, no? Mata. Swelling under the eyes.
Kidney deficiency.
Gray and scattered spots on the eyes.
Chi stagnation.
Very good. Caused by injuries.
Injuries.
Black spots surrounded by gray cloud-like halo of the eye.
Injuries of both chi and blood.
Very good. Red veins, clearly visible and spiral shaped sa eye.
Pain. Pain.
Okay. Makikita mo in pain yung patient. At the same, corner of the eye corresponds to what organ?
The heart.
Upper eyelid,
The spleen.
lower eyelid.
The stomach.
Sclera of the eye corresponds to,
The lungs.
iris corresponds to,
The liver.
pupil of the eye corresponds to,
The kidneys.
green or blue tip of the nose.
It's due to abdominal pain from cold and spleen.
Yes. Kasi kumain ng malalamig.
Malamig.
Lalo na pag namimilipit sa sakit, no? Yung pala sa katakawan. No? Tapos sa Baguio pata niya kinain. Yellow tip of the yellow tip of the nose.
Damp heat and spleen.
Very good. White tip.
Blood shoe.
Okay. Oh,
Deficiency.
shoe na siya. So siya.
Shoe.
Sorry.
para sabi
Huh?
maikli.
Oo nga, mas maikli.
Deficiency.
Oh, sige. Red tip of the nose.
Heat and lungs and spleen. Ay, mali.
Oo, yun na yun.
Tama.
Hindi ka lang.
Tama.
Kasi, affected yung movement ng water.
Yung movement ng water.
So, hindi siya nag-move.
Ng
Nose is slightly moist
ng
and
fluid.
good prognosis.
Disease is not serious.
Yes.
Good prognosis.
Pero ang problema, pinupulbuhan yan, di ba? Pag moist. Dry nose. Ito ang nakakatakot. Dry ang nose. Hala. Okay. Buti na lang
Heat
pala.
in stomach or large
Intestine.
intestine.
Yang-ming talaga siya. Yang-ming. Dry and black
Yes.
nose.
Yeah. Toxic heat.
Very good. Clear, watery discharge from the nose.
It's a cold pattern.
Thick yellow discharge from the nose.
The heat pattern.
Good. Flaring of the nostrils with high fever.
Extreme heat in the lungs.
Very good. Bumubukas-bukas na yung white ears. Oh, ito. Since we wanted to focus on the ear, unang tingin mo pa lang sa ear, puting-puti.
Cold pattern.
Blue ang ears or dark.
It's pain.
Yeah, the patient is in pain.
In pain.
Okay. Dry, nanguluntoy na yung kanyang earlobes.
Exhaustion of kidney chi.
That is malapit na. Ay, marami ganyan. You know, I attended I saw a lot of, anyway, di ba, akin na lang. Sa mga senior, we will be needing your help.
Sa mga senior.
Dapat kasi, inaalagaan natin yung kidney natin. But some of us, or most of us, don't even realize na we're only human, no? Kailangan natin ng AI to do all the other work. But again, yeah. Sino pa ba? Kaya natutuwa, una-una ko talaga tinitingin yung tenga. Nilinisan mo yung tenga. Bago mo linisan, tingnan mo muna yung ano. Meron akong tenga nakikita may mga buhok na, diba? So, ibig sabihin, may konting issue na mataas yung liver enzymes. Okay.
Mm.
Si Mark,
Very good.
nakita yung ano niya sa bossing niya, yung ewan ko kung nakikinig si Sir Mark. I'm sure pagbalik niya dun sa spa, titingnan niya ulit yung buhok ng tenga.
It ears.
Tingnan mo Mark ulit. Hello Mark. Ay, ano yan?
Sa
Ah,
sa old people po nakakakita ng ganun eh.
mm.
Yung my hair.
Oo, yung may
Kaya
hair.
ano,
Mm.
pa-check mo talaga yung liver enzymes. Yung ALT.
Nasa liver, ano nga siya, nasa liver area ng ear nga.
Wow, galing naman. Kasi magtataka ka bakit tinubuan. Kasi di ba may hair follicles pa yan dyan. So pag ano, okay.
Kasi na-curious po ako kaya ni-research ko, kaya doon pala siya.
Now you know. Shiny and moist earlobes.
It's a good prognosis.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doc.
And may mag-uusapan pa tayo after. Thank you for
Sige po.
joining and we hope to see you again on Monday. Thank you po.
Thank you everyone.